Hey guys, it's Icy here, and I'm gonna have my brother play for you guys today. So hope you guys like the video, and peace out.
I'm gonna land the same house as
Alright. I'm gonna land in that one house in front of it. Has a roof too. You'll see me.
Oh yeah, I see what house.
You know which one?
I like landing in these houses. Yeah, I know which one.
Yeah, me too.
Like on Rakutsu, I like, you know that the barn in the other house.
Mhm.
I like landing in those two. You know, this one, and I move to other houses.
Yeah, this one
So I
has an
usually
house.
find a gun here. Hey, the
Wow.
things are loaded already. I didn't have to wait.
Oh yeah, sometimes it happens to me también. I gotta dance for a bit. Hold up.
3 hours later.
There we
Try
go.
not to pick up anything else. Keep your things we have. Your clothes. To
Yeah,
the
yeah.
same, and we don't shoot at each other. In action. What is this? Ooh, level 2. Level 3? Vest.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time.
Holy Jesus.
I see you. I'm gonna take a shot. I got.
You got him?
You surviving? Oh god, I'm down. Help. The grenade? Open the door, I'll get in. Just lay down. I hear the door. Right there! Yeah! Why aren't you talking? Oh god. I just saw revive me! And why aren't you talking?
Holy Jesus.
Sorry, I got really nervous.
I just saw a Molotov. Someone did a drive-by with the
we
Molotov.
got 2 seconds. They're coming. I got the stairs. Just heal.
I know, that's what I'm doing.
I don't know if they're in the house already.
I got 5 first aid. If you need some over here. Yeah, I took the guy's stuff.
I think he is downstairs though. Is that you running?
He's running up.
Oh shit! He's behind me! Come get me!
Oh!
He was in the house already. Did he get you? Wait, let me see.
No, I'm still.
He's in there. Watch out. Behind you. Left. Yeah, turn left. Behind you.
That nigga's tripping.
What? Where the hell is
Oh, he's in there. In that one room. Right there.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked my brother's gameplay. He was playing PUBG. I'm gonna try to play PUBG too. Just that I ain't that good, but I'll try to play. Hope you guys liked the gameplay. And if you guys did, please like, subscribe, and share. Also comment. Alright, so peace out guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,